Dengue is mostly characterized by high fever, headaches, joint pain, and rash. However, more severe instances can lead to hemorrhagic fever, internal bleeding, and breathing difficulty, which can be fatal. Chikungunya. People infected with this virus can develop sudden onset fever along with debilitating joint and muscle pain, rash, headache, nausea, and fatigue. Symptoms can last a few days or be prolonged to weeks and months. Although patients can recover completely, there have been cases in which joint pain has persisted for several months and can extend beyond that for years. Other people develop heart complications, high ball problems, and even neurological complications. Mosquitoes carrying such arbovirus stay healthy because their immune system recognizes the virions as foreign particles and chop off the virus genetic coding, rendering it inert. Human infection with mosquito-borne virus occurs when a female mosquito bites someone while its immune system is still in the process of destroying the virus's harmful coding. Clarification needed. It is not completely known how mosquitoes handle eukaryotic parasites to carry them without being harmed. Data has shown that malaria parasite Plasmodium falciparum alters the mosquito vector's feeding behavior by increasing the frequency of biting in the infected mosquitoes, thus increasing the chance of transmitting the parasites. The mechanism of transmission of this disease starts with the injection of parasite into the victim's blood when malaria-infected female Anopheles mosquito bites into a human being. The parasite uses human liver cells as host for maturation, where it will continue to replicate and grow, moving into the other areas of the body via the bloodstream. The spread of this infection cycle then continues when other mosquitoes bite the same victim. This will cause the mosquitoes to ingest the parasite and allow it to transmit the malaria disease into another person through the same mode of bite injection. Flaviviridae virus transmissible via vectors like mosquitoes include West Nile virus and yellow fever virus, which are single-stranded positive sense RNA viruses enveloped in a protein coat. Once inside the host body, the virus will attach itself to a cell surface through receptor-mediated endocytosis. This essentially means that the protein and DNA material of the virus are ingested into the host cell. The viral RNA material will undergo several changes and processes inside the host cell so that it can release more viral RNA that can be replicated and assembled to infect neighboring host cells. The data on transmissibility via insect vectors of hepatitis C virus also belonging to family Flaviviridae, as well as hepatitis B virus belonging to the family Hepatidinaviridae, are inconclusive. WHO states that there is no insect vector or animal reservoir for HCV. While there are experimental data supporting at least the presence of PCR detected hepatitis C viral RNA in Culex mosquitoes for up to 13 days. Currently, there are no specific vaccine therapies for West Nile virus approved for humans. However, vaccines are available and show promise for animals as a means to intervene with the mechanism of spreading such pathogens. Diagnosis. Doctors can typically identify a mosquito bite by sight. A doctor will perform physical examination and ask about medical history as well as any travel history. Be ready to give details on any international trips, including the dates you are traveling, the countries you visited, and any contact you had with mosquitoes.